This video today is a very short one. I'll show you how to bleed your brakes if you're replacing a caliper or your brake caliper leaking or anything to do with the caliper section. If your line's leaking and you have to bleed, I'm going to show you how to bleed this wheel. This is a F150 2006 with a 5.4, and then you make sure your master cylinder is tapped right off to the maximum, guys, and then you go to the wheel and then you break this bleeder nipple. Okay, get somebody inside to pump for you. All right, pump. Hold it, hold down your feet, hold it down. So then you hold it down and then you loose it. See that, guys? All the air coming out. Pump again. Hold it down. Yeah, just look. Pump. There's my lens kind of dirty right now. Okay. Hold it down. Pump. It's hard. Yeah. Hold it down, guys. Hold it down. All right, guys, pump it up. All right, guys, that's about it. Replace the caliper, put a new O-ring there, and then we bleed it from here, and that's it. All right, guys, if you like this one, this help you with. This is a 2007 F150 Taper 5.4. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.